Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn the 2 times table. You will need a blank piece of paper and a pen. So we are going to start with writing the date. Off you go! Now when you finish the date, you can now write 1 times 2 to 12 times 2. Off you go! When you finish writing 1 times 2 to 12 times 2, you will now work out all the answers in one go. So the 2 times table ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So let's start writing the first set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Off you go. When you have finished writing the first set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, you now have to put a 1 in front of the 0. Off you go. Now after that, you now have to write the next set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Off you go. Now after the 10, you have to write 1 all the way down to 8. And when you get to the 0, you write 2. Off you go. When you've written the 2 in front of the 0, you now have to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 again. But we won't have enough space to carry on it. We just have to rub out the 6 and 8 and 0. So now we've got our 2 numbers. We have to put 2 next to the 2 and 4. Off you go. This is an easy way to remember the 2 times table. Just remember the 2 times table ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe. Bye!